Hello, little learners. Waving hand. Today, we're going to learn about our amazing body parts with Bella and Ben. Are you ready? Let's go. Eyes, what do they do? They help me see both me and you. Nose, what do you say? I help you smell things every day. Ears, they love to hear music, laughter, far and near. Mouth and teeth, I eat and talk, and give big smiles when I walk. Hands, feet, knees, and toes. Learning body parts is fun, you know. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a body part, and you point to it. Ready? Point to your nose. Now, touch your head. Wiggle your fingers, stomp your feet. Wow. You're so smart. Let's remember what we learned today. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, feet, and more. Every part of your body is important and helps you every day. Great job, friends. Keep practicing and learning with us every day. Bye-bye. See you next time.